Next in CSS, we are going to do translate method from 2D transformation. This method moves the element on its x and y axis depending upon the parameter specified. So this is the basic HTML code, and here in then body section, this is our paragraph tag, and class is 1. And here we are creating one more paragraph, and class here we are using this 2. Now in head section we are giving style tag, and within this style tag, this is our one class, and here I'm giving border to 1 pixel, solid black, width to 200 pixel, height is also 200 pixel, background color to aqua, border radius we are giving is 5 pixel, box shadow we are giving is 5 pixel, horizontal shadow 5 pixel, vertical shadow 5 pixel, blur effect, and color is blue. We have selected one shade of blue. Color of text is white. Save, and this is how it is looking in our browser. Now we have to create class 2. So here, this is our 2 class. Here also I'm giving border to 1 pixel, solid black, width to 200 pixel, height is also 200 pixel, background color we are choosing is aqua, border radius 5 pixel, then is box shadow 5 pixel horizontal, 5 pixel vertical, 5 pixel blur effect, and here also we are choosing color to be white. Save, and it is looking like this. Now we have to put this box here. First of all, we want to increase the margin, top margin here. So here I'm giving margin top to 100 pixel. Save it. Here we are using float to left. Now we have to put this box here in the left of first box. So here float to left. Save. Now we have to give top margin of this box as well. So here margin top, we are giving same margin 100 pixel. Save. Now we are using here 2D transformation property translate. So what this property do, it shifts the box on x-axis and y-axis depending upon the parameters given. So for box 2 I'm doing transform, translate, and here I'm giving on x-axis it should move 100 pixel, and on y-axis we want that it should move 50 pixel. Save, and so we can see that it has moved 50 pixel on x-axis and 50 pixel on y-axis. We change this number here from 100 to 50. Now it is going to move 50 pixel on x-axis and 50 pixel on y-axis. Save. So it has moved 50 pixel away from whatever position it was holding previously and 50 pixel from y-axis.